Again, a beautiful question. We have x to the power x root x, x to the power x root x is equal to x root x to the power x. So we have to make both the base same. If we make both the base same, then the power will be equal. We have x to the power x root x. We can write it as, it is nothing but x to the power, see, it is x to the power 1, it is x root x can be written as x root x can be written as, we have x to the power 1 into x to the power 1 by 2. If the base are same, then the power can be added. It is x to the power 3 by 2. If a, we have a to the power m and a to the power n. If base are same, then the power will be added, m plus n. This one is the property that is used in that particular question. See, we can write it as x to the power 3 by 2 and we have x here. So both the base are same. I can write x root x is equal to 3 by 2x. X and x will be cancelled out. So I can write root x is equal to 3 by 2 and I have to find the value of x. So x is equal to squaring both sides 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is the required answer of this particular question. That is option number D. Next. 21 plus cube root of 59 plus 16 plus cube root of 72 plus root 49. Guys, if you solve root 49, it is 7. If you add a 7 here, it will become 729. And you have to find out the cube root of 729, and the cube root of 729 is 9. So you will add a 9 here. And 16 plus 9 is 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. You will add it here. 59 plus 5 is 64 and cube root of 64 is 4. You will add 4 here, and 621 plus 4 is 25 and square root of 25 is 5. Next. Find the value of root 30 plus root 30 plus root 30 dash 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 dash. So we have, if I let it equal to x, if I have x equal to what, root 30 plus root 30 plus root 30 dash 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 dash. I can write it as, see, x is equal to root 30 plus, this term is equal to x because root 30 plus root 30 plus root 30 plus root 30, this term will be equal to x. See here, if look into this term is equal to x. If this one is x, because this term is till the infinite terms, so this will also be x. Squaring both sides, what I will get, x square is equal to 30 plus x, x square minus x is equal to 30. What I will do, see, if I take x common, then x minus 1 is equal to 30. I have to find out the value of x, means I have to find out the particular value of this complete set. See, you have to do the factor of 30 in which you have one number less than the other number. Since we have 6 into 5, here value of x is 6 and value of x minus 1 is 5. We can say that the value of x is equal to 6. But in your examination, you will not do this. How you will solve this question? There is a method. If this is 30, then you will break it into two numbers whose difference is 1. You will break this number into two numbers whose difference is 1. You will break this number into two numbers whose difference is 1. and if there is a plus sign in between, if there is a plus sign in between, then 6 will be the answer. And you can write 42 as 7 into 6, and if there is a minus sign between, then you will write your answer as 6. If if plus sign in between, then the larger will be the answer. If the minus sign is between, then the smaller will be your answer. How? See, x is equal to under the root 42, and this whole term will be equal to x. Squaring both sides, x square is equal to 42 minus x. X will come this side, x square plus x is equal to 42. If I take x common, then x plus 1 is equal to 42. So make two factors of 42. It is 6 into 7. See, if x equal to 6, then x plus 1 is equal to 7. I can say that the value of x will be 6. So what will we do? 42, we will factorize it. 6 into 7, whose difference is 1. If there is a minus sign in between, then 6 is the answer. And if there is a plus sign in between, then 7 is the answer. In case of plus, in case of minus. So here is the end of our 9th chapter. That was surds and indices. So we will meet you in the next chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.